Let's learn how to do the single crochet stitch in a magic ring. To make a magic ring, start by wrapping the yarn around your fingers toward you twice. Hold the yarn tail with your thumb. Hold the working yarn with your pinky. Insert your hook under the front piece of yarn, pulling up the back piece of yarn. Twist your hook to create a loop. This is what the loop should look like on your hook. Now create a chain 1 by yarning over and pulling through the loop on your hook. Now that you have the chain 1, it's time to single crochet. Carefully slide your fingers out of the magic ring. We'll be working our single crochet stitches into the magic ring. This yarn tail is what we'll use to tighten the magic ring, so be sure that your stitches are going over both the ring and that yarn tail. Insert your hook into the magic ring and draw up a loop. You'll now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. We've just created 1 single crochet. And again, we'll insert our hook into the ring and draw up a loop. Yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. Remember that this yarn tail is what's used to close your magic ring, so make sure that you're working your single crochet stitches over it. Continue making your single crochet stitches into the magic ring until you have your desired number of stitches. In amigurumi, the stitch count is typically 6 for the first round of stitches in the magic ring. I'll be making 6 for this example. The top of each single crochet stitch has 2 loops. You can use these loops to identify and count your stitches. After you've made your last single crochet, it's time to close the magic ring. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches. Carefully pull the yarn tail until your magic ring has closed. There shouldn't be any gap in the middle of your stitches. And here you can see your stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. When working in a continuous round, there is an adjoining stitch between one round to the next. Insert your hook into the first single crochet from round 1. Make sure that you're placing your hook under both top loops of the single crochet stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You'll now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. For this example, I'm making an increase in each stitch around. An increase is working 2 single crochets into 1 stitch. When working in continuous rounds, you'll just continue working your single crochet stitches around and around in a spiral.